name's Paul, and I came in because I broke my knee in a motorcycle accident and I needed therapy to recover. Well, I'd had knee issues prior to my accident, but that really triggered the help, and I was immobilized for 2 months after my accident because of the type of surgery, so I couldn't move my knee. And so when I came in, I had to start getting mobility. Before I came in, I was experiencing weakness in my quads and my legs overall, and pain in my knees and inability to stand up and sit down. Oh yeah, a lot. I couldn't do much besides sit and try to walk. Not really. I knew right away I needed to come in for treatment, although while I was in traction, I tried to just straighten it out a little bit, but I couldn't really do a lot because they wanted it immobilized for 2 months. Yes, I have, mostly for my back, and that was really helpful, but this was a different kind of therapy working on my knee. Oh, it's so helpful, and especially here at Preferred Physical Therapy, the people are so competent and so kind and work at a pace that I was available to work at and able to work at, so yeah, it's a great help. Well, just the friendliness of the staff. Everyone was so kind and called me by name as I came in. The second time I came in, they said, "Hi, Paul," and I said, "My name's George," and everybody looked down like, "Uh-oh." I said, "I'm just teasing, my name's Paul," but love to have laughter and teasing while they're working with each other and with the patients. I love that. My goal was to get back to where I was before so I could walk and run and hike, and I'm pretty close to all that. I don't think about my knee like I used to when it first broke, and I'm able to do most things that I want to do.